Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how canned fruit is made. Start by choosing ripe fruit, then sort, wash, peel or trim, and cut to size. Keep similar pieces for even cooking. Next, prevent browning with sugar syrup or acid, then fill jars while hot to reduce air. Seal lids tightly and process in a hot water or steam retort for safe preservation. Cool quickly and label for storage. Store in a cool, dark place for best quality. Start with inspection and sorting to remove bruised or underripe fruit, then wash thoroughly to remove dirt and residues. Blanch or steam briefly to soften and loosen skins, then peel or clip as needed. Prepare syrup of desired sweetness or use water or juice and heat it to dissolve sugar. Pack fruit tightly into cans to minimize air pockets, leaving the correct headspace specified for safe sealing. Follow facility guidelines and sanitation practices at every step. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more food processing guides. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping to save time and reduce crumbs around your kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals. It's a handy aid when prepping fruit and cleaning spills. Now let's get back to the video. After sealing, process cans in a retort or pressure cooker to reach required temperatures that destroy microbes and enzymes while preserving texture. Processing times vary by fruit size and density, so use validated schedules. Cool cans gradually to prevent vacuum loss, then inspect for seal integrity and integrity of labels. Store finished cans in a cool, dry area, rotating stock to use older cans first. Test samples periodically for pH, bricks, and sensory quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.